Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to join a meeting using a code or link in Google Meet app. Joining a meeting on Google Meet is quick and simple. First, open the Google Meet app on your phone or tablet. Right on the home screen, you'll see an option that says use a code or link, so tap on it. If you have a meeting code, just type it carefully into the box, then tap join, and you are in. If you have a meeting link instead, no worries, you can paste the full link into the same box and it will take you directly to the meeting. Even easier, if someone has shared the link with you through email or chat, just tap on it and the Google Meet app will open automatically, bringing you straight into the call. So with just a few taps, you will be connected and ready to meet, no hassle at all. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.